Namaskar students. In the last class, we have done the study of font size and text color. You can see here that I have written this poem with the help of different text color and I have taken different size for each line. In this class, we will do the study of font. It means how to change the handwriting of every line. So for this we have to select the line and then we can apply the font. So how to do it? Let's begin. Before applying the font or before changing the font, what you have to do? At first you have to select the line. So bring your mouse pointer to the first line and then click on this line. You can see that your first line is selected. Now go to the font. Near the font size you can see the font button is here. When you will click on this arrow, you will get so many font style here. You can choose any one of your choice from here. You can see all the fonts are coming in alphabetical order and number of fonts are given here. So according to your choice, you can choose any font of your choice from here. When you will click on this arrow, you can see this is the arrow for going upside and this is the arrow for going downside. So when you will click on this arrow, you will go upside, and when you will click on it, that time you will go downside. So with the help of this arrow, you can see all the fonts which are given here. Now you can choose any font of your choice from here. So at first, for the heading, I will choose the font, or with the help of this scroll bar you can move your mouse pointer. Now you can see I am having this Algerian font. So for the heading I will choose Algerian. You can see my heading is coming like this. Now for the second line I will just click on this line. You can see my next line is selected. Now I will choose another font. I am choosing the show card Gothic font. You can choose any font of your choice. It's up to you that which font you want to select. Now I am coming to the next line. I will bring my mouse pointer near the line and then I will just click on it. So my line will be selected. Now I will choose any font of my choice. With the help of this arrow, I will go upside and then I will choose this one font. You can see here that it is coming in different handwriting. Now I am coming to the next line. I will select the next line. Now I will choose another handwriting or another font. Here I am choosing this one handwriting. You can see here that it is showing me different fonts. Now I will select the next line. Then I will choose another handwriting. Now I am coming to this one, fixed days, fixed says. You can see the handwriting. Now I will select the next line. By this way you can choose any handwriting of your choice. I am choosing this one. Now I am selecting next line. For each line I am choosing the different handwriting or different font. Now I am coming to this line. Now I am choosing this one, and now I am coming to the last one. So you can see here I am choosing this one. So you can see here that I have written my poem by using different font, and here I have changed the font for each line. So how my document is looking like, how my poem is looking like. So you can do the practice of font, or you can do the practice of different handwriting, that how to change the handwriting of your text or your sentence with the help of font button. So do the practice of font and write your poem using different handwriting style